Hey guys, this is Mark McWilliams with RE/MAX Properties and the Gold Medal team. We're here at 138 Butlers Creek Point, and I'd love to show you this fantastic home in Jackson Creek. Hey, welcome inside this beautiful home. You can see the dining room right here on my right. Laundry room's down the hall. And then wait till you see that updated kitchen. All right, welcome into the kitchen. Beautiful brand new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a huge walk-in pantry. Now notice these gorgeous hardwood floors that have all been freshly redone, moving into the living room with all new carpet throughout the home. All right, welcome to the upstairs. You've got a loft office area here, 3 bedrooms plus the master suite. Now these 3 bedrooms are all fantastic size and great for all your family. And welcome to my very favorite room in the house. This is the master retreat. Fireplace, library, perfect. So downstairs, a fully finished basement with a full bedroom, bathroom, and entertainment center. Well, thanks for joining me on this tour, but you need to see this one in person. Give us a call, send us an email. We'll be happy to schedule a time for you to come take a look and enjoy these beautiful mountain views from this deck.